Good evening, everyone. It is March 30th, 2017. We're doing a personal box for Joe P. in the YouTube stream. He purchased a personal box of 2015-16 Leaf Heroes and Prospects Hockey. So,
what are these?
Personals. Oh, wait. One is a break and one's a personal. Already opened that. Alrighty. Good luck, Joe P. I actually want to take this damn thing off. It gets annoying. Alright, let's go with the first card. Jake Bean, 17 of 25. We got one next one. Gabriel Velarde, 13 of 25. DeBrincat, 29 of 45. Oh, what a sick patch right here. Mallenstein, Beck Mallenstein, 6 of 20. Nice. That is a 1, 2, 3, 4 color patch. You got black, red, little dark orange, and some white. 6 of 20. Mallenstein. Nice hit right here. Prospects 8. 6 of 25. Nolan Patrick, Jake Bean, Tyler Benson, Valimaki, Mallenstein, Sam Steele, Simone Stransky, and Josh Mura, or Marhua. Nice Prospects 8. Future #1 pick right there. Could be. Let's go to some autographs now. Connor Buneman, Prospect Signatures. We have a Liam Murphy, Prospect Signatures. That is a 2 of 3. Tyler Benson, 1 of 20 Prospect Signatures. Steleos Mateos, 14 of 15 Prospect Signatures. How many is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One card left. And there it is, Joe P. You picked the magic box. Auto game jersey, Jack Eichel, 4 of 5. Great night for you in Heroes and Prospects. And overall, too. You actually hit a couple of Sharks autographs in OPG Platinum. But way to go. You picked the right box. Box 5 was the 405 Jack Eichel. So just because we pulled 2 guys, I mean, they're 2 guaranteed. But we pulled 3 in the last case. So it wouldn't shock me if there's not another Jack Eichel remaining in those last 5 boxes. There you go. There you go, Joe P. That's a great box, including the Jack Eichel 4-5, Prospects 8, DeBrincat. I mean, this is a great, solid box. Great box. Joe P, hey, I just pulled it, but you're the one that picked it. So I got to give you pretty much 80%. I think I only get 20% for pulling it. Alrighty. JaspysHockeyLand.com. I'm Jason. I'll see you guys next time.